Okay, so in this video, as you can see, I have, if you watch the previous two videos, I have readjusted all of these cylinders and then added this row of cylinders here. And right now I have the base selected, and I'm going to adjust it to the appropriate size. So I'm going to hit transform, and in here, in the transform function, there's a multitude of things that you can do. So what I'm going to do this time is adjust the dimensions of this rectangular base. So I'm keeping the thickness at 2 millimeters. I'm going to change dimension Z to 75 millimeters. And then I'm changing dimension X to 124 millimeters because that is currently the maximum size at which the printer can print this device. And I'm just going to hit accept, and that will be that. So what I'm going to do, instead of making a separate video for this, I'm just going to keep on going. What you're going to see me do next is I'm going to essentially combine this object, and when I say this object, I mean this outer cylinder with its adjacent cylinders. And I'm selecting these two, hitting Boolean union. So this is going to essentially join these two objects together and make them one.
It's just not interesting enough. I'm sorry.
So as you can see, these two objects are selected. Generally, I have not adjusted any of these parameters. Each of these things can be looked up online, though, and I'm sure there are other videos out there on YouTube that discuss exactly what these objects do. But what I'm just going to do is hit accept, and now these objects function as one. So now I'm going to do that to all of these. And now I'm going to combine both this entire row, essentially. So now this entire row functions as one object.